I've got to build some ground lights, and last time I touched it, this was the base. Whoop, drop that on the floor. There we go. Right, this was the base that I built. I'm making a few modifications because I want an O-ring to sit at the bottom of the thread. The thread needs to be a bit shorter. The whole thing needs to be a bit longer. The drill needs to be a bit deeper. The ID turn needs to be a bit deeper. So there's a few things. So I loaded in 20mm bar. We turn it down to 19.9mm just to basically just give it a nice pretty face on the outside, and let's see how it goes. So I am going to run it at 25% just to get the right tool in place. Running stainless kind of always makes me a bit nervous. See, I've left. See what I've done? I've left the lock in place. Yeah, so say running stainless steel always makes me a bit nervous. So I broke a lot of tooling and stuff, mostly drills actually, and of course drills are typically like the most expensive thing. Anyway, so let's change this to 5%. I'll watch what it does. Should just come in there, which is fine. Yeah, happy with that. So we drill in now, but the problem is, if you actually look at this, to me it looks like the part is actually pushing the material back. I've had this a few times. Yeah. So look, we barely even drilled into it. Okay, I need to do some work. Managed to tighten up the collet just a tad more, and I've increased the feed rate because sometimes when the drill bit doesn't bite, it causes it to push back, and then we just work hard on the material, which is not what we want. So hopefully we'll just up the feed manually here just to bite through. Oh no, there we go, it's biting. Looks it was looking pretty good. And now it's not happy. And there you go. This is exactly the prime example of why I get frustrated with stainless steel. We have lost the front of the drill, and that front is about £26 for that insert. It's pretty dear. Yeah. Annoying.